Today we're going to show you, I am going to show you how you can make machines. First, I want to show you how you make an elevator. Pretty simple. There it is. Now we can place this down and then this. Now you can see this will turn to an elevator. I'll make it look good too, because I want to make sure that you guys are seeing and good elevator. And I will show you that I'm going to have to do that because it won't work as good. And there we go. Now we got something nice. And then we can scale it down too, like that. And you're starting to see an elevator. It may not look like an elevator, but it will work just as good as one. So, it doesn't matter what block you're using. Doesn't matter how tall. But all that matters is that you start out with like a base and a piston. And also comment down below if I should make another one of these and make like an entire place with this elevator where you can go up. I will have it be in the save because, and now that we finished that part, I don't really like the fact that's not the wood color. I think I figured out what the wood color is. Maybe it's that. No, that's terrible. I'm looking for one. Nope. Maybe nope. Nope. Maybe that? No. Maybe it's this. Maybe I'll just guard the door that. No. So, no. Maybe that, no. I'm just gonna delete it and place it again, because I don't think I can do anything. But now you can go in the elevator, which now you may ask, how are we making this go up? Now that is what we're doing. Now with this, with a button. There we go. We have a button. Now you can walk in, then shut the door, and then zoom in, and now you're going up. Look, we actually went up. Don't believe me? Look, we actually went up higher. And then to go down, you just press the button. And you got first person. But also, you need to go into here and make sure that does not have a check. Otherwise, this will completely fail. So, this is how you build an elevator. Another one, I showed you how to use portals. And after you watch this, definitely watch that. And make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss content like this. Next, I am going to show you how you make a mech, which this is pretty easy. I don't know if you want to do it the way that I'm doing it, but make sure that your blocks are uninjured still. you want to try making both. And there we go. This is basically it. But next, this is one of the most important parts. And you can definitely make this invisible so people can't see this part, because you do not want players to see this. So you do need the screwdriver for this. And all you do is you do like that. And then you delete the chair. Then I'm going to show you just making it invis. And do transparency. And you may think, how will you walk? Oh, wait. That's a good question. Okay. I figured out the issue, guys. Don't worry. I figured out the issue. I need to do that. Okay. And now we can get this placed. Okay. Now we do the same thing like we did last time. Do the exact same thing. And this time it will work. If I'm correct. Yup. Now it does work. Now we're going to turn invisible. And boom, now we can walk. And you can walk anywhere. Literally anywhere. I'll show you that we can walk all the way over to here. We probably can walk to. Good. And we can go on to a block. Good. Now we're at this place. We're at white team. Now, look. Our bill is, I don't know where they went, but they are a starter, so yeah. Maybe they left, but yeah, you can walk anywhere. I think we found a really good player at the game on the red team. Yeah. Red team did a good job. Oh, and they put an extra layer of sand so it looks like water. But I cannot jump when you're in this. So yeah. And this player is good. So I am going to reset. And I reset. Now I'm back. Okay. Now, I am going to show you some other things. Actually, I think a car could be something good. Actually. So now I'm going to make a car. Wait. Now you want this to have the check when you're going to move that, or you can just have just blocks under it. It will take a few blocks, but you could use rods. because they work just as well. Well, technically better because they're taller. Now, you do have to make sure that you're getting the right wheels. Like the front wheels, you need to make sure which ones. So, I'm going to show you that. And look, we're making a car. You can do any design, but I'm doing this. You have to make sure that you have a car seat too. And then you sit in your seat, then you unanchor it all, or if you have that pole, this entire part is unanchored, so you just delete the pole, and then you just delete it, and now